Ah! Okay. They look fine. Where am I? Oh, I was in high school. Do I want to go in? Yeah, I'm gonna go in. Let's go check out what people are thinking. Okay, the elevator is better than the... Oh, it's open. Whee.
What's up, Cardinals? It's your boy, Zephaniah, and I'm here with
Kevin.
And today on Inside the O, we're celebrating Valentine's Day. Look. We at the OHS Love Shop. Love.
But we're also introducing Valentine's Spirit Week. On Monday, it's Twin Day. On Tuesday is Pink, Red, and White Day. On Wednesday is Traffic Light, where red means taken, yellow means it's complicated, and green means you're available. And on Thursday is Dress as Your Type Day. And finally, on Friday, it's Valentine's Day headwear.
Now, without any further ado, let's get into the stories.
Hey, I ain't either. Are you sad and lonely this Valentine's Day? Well, look no further. I'm gonna show you how to get a Valentine. Let's go. Step 1, find your target. Come on, follow me. You see her? Yeah, her, right there. Okay, watch this. Hey, can you come real quick?
Yeah.
I'm new here. My phone's kind of messing with me. Can you call me?
Yeah, I got you.
All right, thank you. My phone number is 404.
Mm-hmm.
Can you call it real quick? It's because no calls are going through.
Yeah, I got you.
Are you calling?
Yeah.
Okay, it worked. Thank you. I'll call you later to work on our Valentine's reservations. Okay, bye.
Yo, excuse me, what's your name?
What's your name? Hey, do you know what this class is?
Our class is that way.
Dang, do you think you could take me though?
Yeah, I got you.
I bet. Can I have your number too? I'm not trying to get lost again.
Yeah, I'll just put in your phone.
Hey, do you have $1?
Nah.
Nah, dang. Do you think I can get your number though?
Oh, I don't even got a phone.
Down for
I think you're recording. Ciao, bro. Yo, excuse me. What's your name?
Anlly.
I'm Nestor. I thought you was pretty cute. Can I get your phone number?
I'm good.
Man, I wish Cupid can make me fall in love like that.
Man, maybe next time. Anyways, let's get back into these notes, my boy.
Welcome, Cardinals, to Inside the O, Valentine's Day edition, where we bring you the good news. Have you ever heard of the last horse? Well, that's not what it's known for anymore, since zoo experts from the San Diego Zoo have recently confirmed the birth of another Przewalski horse, a species of a wild horse that is considered to be endangered. This fowl was named Kurt in honor of Kurt Bernarski, the zoo's director of research. This species is on a good road to bring back their population back. And that's the end of the good news. Happy Valentine's Day, Cardinals.
That's another episode of Inside the O. I'm here with
Kevin.
And I'm Zephaniah. See you next episode for some more entertaining content about Osborne High School. Goodbye.